I hope all are fine and studying well. I told you that I will start revision from today. This is your revision 1 of lesson 8. After lesson 8, I will give revision of the last lesson, lesson 29, synonyms. Okay? 2 lessons I will take revision in each and every periods because we have less time. So we have to finish our revision of all the lessons. So I will take two lessons together. Okay? First, singular and plural. So first of all, you have to prepare the definition of singular and plural. The very first question is you have to prepare is define with an example. Define the following with an example. Define the following with an example. It means you have to write the definition of singular noun or plural noun. Whatever is asked in the question paper, you have to write the definition of that particular, whether it is singular or plural, whatever. Then after you have to give an example, a single example of that. Okay? Example, you can write the full word also, or you can write the short form also. Okay? Example. Singular and plural noun. The nouns which refers for only one person, animal and thing, it is known as singular noun. Example, you can write child, dog, cat, anyone. Okay? Then the noun which refers to more than one person, animal and thing is known as plural nouns. Whatever the definition I have given in the copy, you have to learn and prepare well. Okay? Is it clear? I hope it is clear. The very first question. Then, children, you have to prepare the second question is the letter writing. Letter writing I will write again for you in my revision classes. Don't get worried. Side by side, I am giving you the pattern of the question paper also. Letter writing. Then paragraph writing. These 3 questions are must in the paper. Okay? This definition, letter writing and the paragraph writing. You have to do it. My school, you have written a paragraph. Learn it properly. I will take classes separately for this. I will write and I will clear your doubts. Letter writing practice, I will give you again how to write a letter, where you have to leave the lines, where you have to put commas, full stops, whatever. Okay? I'll teach you again. So first of all, you focus on this lesson, lesson 8. Okay? How to form plurals. The plurals are forming by adding s in the end, in the words, in the noun, adding s, like balloon, balloons, shoes, shoes. Then plurals adding by that end in, the words end in ch, sh, s or double s or x. From their plurals by adding es. We change, we remove that and we add es. Bench, benches, dish, dishes, glass, glasses, bush, bushes, atlas, atlases. Okay? Then nouns that end in y, generally from their plurals by changing y into ies. Baby, babies, lady, ladies, trophy, trophies. Okay. Army, armies, city, cities, diary, diaries, fairy, fairies, reply, replies, story, stories, lily, lilies. Okay. Then, but only S is added to the singular if the Y has a vowel before it. Suppose, if the Y has a vowel before it, okay, then T-O-Y-S, toys. If toy, then you make plural, toys. Monkey, monkeys. E-O-A, clay, clay, clays. Okay? Key, K-E-Y, key, keys. If there is a vowel before Y, then we put only S in the noun. We will not write I-E-S. Okay? If the word is there lady, then we change it into L-A-D-I-E-S, ladies. Is it clear? Then another one. If the nouns end in F or Fe from their plurals by changing F or Fe into VES, calf, C-A-L-F, calf, we write, when we change it into plural, we write calves. C-A-L-V-E-S. We remove F and add V-E-S in the noun. Bookshelf, bookshelves. Thief, thieves. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Life, lives. Wife, wives. But some nouns from their plurals by adding only S in the end, chief. In the same, it is followed in this also as we followed in Y. If vowel is before F, then we put only. In some words you will get vowel, in some words you will get consonant. But chief, cliff, cliff, cliffs, dwarf, dwarfs, giraffe, giraffes. Okay, you will not write giraffes. You will not write grieves, grief, griefs. Brief, briefs. Roof, roofs. Hoof, hoofs. Noun that end in O form their plurals by adding S in the end. Bamboo, bamboos. Photo, photos. Cuckoo, cuckoos. Piano, pianos. Hippo, hippos. Video, videos. Kangaroo, kangaroos. Zoo, zoos. But some nouns form their plurals by adding es in the end, like mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes, mosquito, mosquitoes, buffalo, buffaloes, echo, echos, flamingo, flamingos, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, tornado, tornadoes, volcano, volcanoes. Okay? Some singular nouns form their plurals by changing internal vowels, like it is changed totally, mouse, mice. Okay? Man, men, M-E-N, men. Woman, women. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Dormouse, dormice. Mouse, mice. Louse, lice. Ox, some singular nouns form their plurals by adding en in them. Ox, oxen. Child, children. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. It is not changes. Aircraft, fish, fruit. Calf, deer, sheep, reindeer, fish, fruit. We never change these nouns. Okay? And some nouns are always used in the plural. Some nouns are always same in the plural as they are in singular, and some nouns they are always in the plural form. Trousers, pants, jeans, pincers, scissors, spectacles, binoculars, tongs, chimta. Okay? So the question is from this lesson is write the plurals of the following words. Okay. Write the plurals of the following words. If the questions come in your exam, first of all children, you will write the word in your answer sheet. Balloon. Then you will write answer from small letter. If this question is there in your exam, first of all you will copy all the words in your answer sheet. Then you will write the answers. Okay? Balloon, balloons. Then bush, bushes. If the word comes shorts, then it is not changing, no? It is plural. Then you have to answer shorts, same. Like mouse, mice. Then man, men. But you will start writing with capital letter your answer. Your answer you will write in small letter. Word you will copy down. It is in capital letter. And your answer should be in small letter. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Many words are there. Bench, benches. Bus, buses. Glass, glasses. Fox, foxes. Fairy, fairies. Trophy, trophies. Donkey, donkeys. Turkey, turkeys. Calf, calves. Life, lives. Chief, chiefs. Brief, briefs. Bamboo, bamboos. Zoo, zoos. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Fish, fish. No changes. Okay? Then fill in the blanks with the plural forms of the nouns given in the brackets. According to the sentence, you have to change the nouns. Girls are playing with in the bracket, it is given toy. See page number 42 in your book, toy. Then you will, in the underline, where the underline, you will write toys. Girls are playing with the toys. There are many churches in Goa. Churches. There are many churches in Goa. Okay. I got a dozen eggs. Dozen eggs. 8 dozen. This is a house with 4 rooms. So this was about singular and plural nouns. Then another question. Then picture questions will not be there in your exam. You learn it, these words: kangaroo, kangaroos, bull, bulls, deer, deer, monkey, monkeys, but the picture questions will not be there. Apples, an apple, babies, a baby, foxes, a fox, knives, a knife, owls, an owl, eggs, an egg. Okay? Then question can come into change into singular or change into plural. Change into singular. If it is there in plural form, brushes, then you will change into singular. You will write brush. Okay? If it is there cows, you will write a single word, single noun, cow. Okay? And if change into plural, if it is a singular noun like mouse, then you have to change into plural, mice. If it is there leaf, then you have to change into leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Is it clear how to change the singular into plural and the plural into singular? Okay. It is written plural, given in the singular, you change it into plural. Change into singular, given in plural, you have to change into singular form. Clear? Then, lesson number 29. Synonyms. The very last page. Lesson 29. Second semester synonyms. In this you have to learn, and the question is write the synonyms of the following. Okay. So you will write the word here first, like false. Sorry. Little. Then answer you will write with a small. Okay, small letter, small. Then blank. Empty. Third, evil. E-V-I-L. Evil. Bad. Okay. Sad. Unhappy. So these are the synonyms. Write the synonyms of the following. You will copy down first the questions, then you will answer in front of that question, and you answers from small letter. Okay? Afraid, scared. Cap, hat. Famous, well known. Idea, thought. Ill, sick. Happy, glad. Hide, cover. House, home. Listen, hear. Little, small. Reply, answer. Rest, relax. Rock, stone. Strange, odd. Tall, high, true, correct. Then come on page number 112, this exercise. The one form I taught you, write the synonyms of the following. And the second type of question is match the following words to their synonyms. Okay? Very first is true, then little, sad, and tall. So all the wrong answers I am writing here. Okay, children? All the wrong answers are here. Unmatched answers in front of the question. Okay? Then sad. I have written all the wrong answers in front of the question. You have to write the correct answer in front of us. Okay? I am not rubbing it. Okay? True. In front of true here, in the exam you will write correct. Don't match it in this way. This is the wrong way of doing the work. You will get 0 in the exam. Don't match it with the scale. True, correct. Little, small. Sad, unhappy. Tall, high. You will select the correct answer from this list and write in the answer sheet. So this is the way of doing the work in the exam. With in front of true, you will write the correct answer. Little, small, sad, unhappy, tall, high. So this is one more form of the question in matching form. Match the following words to their synonym or write the synonyms of the following. So in this chapter, 2 types of questions are there. Is it clear? And all the 21 words you have to prepare, you have to learn it. So these all about your lesson 8 singular and plural nouns and lesson synonyms lesson 29. Okay, children, learn everything properly and practice all the exercises. Especially singular and plural, you learn it properly. And all the synonyms also. Because when you are writing, you are doing so much of spelling mistakes in making plural nouns. Trophy, you are writing Y also and you are writing IES also. If the word trophy is there and when you are making plural, you have to remove Y here. You have to write only PHIES. But you people are writing TROPHYIES. It is totally wrong. Okay? So be careful when you are changing the plural noun. Changing into plural noun, you have have to confirm with that spelling, okay, when you are writing in the answer sheet. I hope both the chapters are clear today. This was your revision 1. Whatever I taught, practice it properly, learn it and do practice in writing. Whatever you are learning, first you write. After learning, you write and check your answers from your textbook. And 3 questions in the beginning I told you, the paragraph writing, define the following with an example, and letter writing. Start practicing of writing it, okay? And check your spellings. Whatever the spelling mistakes, correct it, rectify it and learn it again and write it again. Only you have to do the practice of writing properly. Now we will meet in our next revision class on tomorrow on Thursday. Till then, bye-bye children and stay safe.